everyone! I'm Aurelia from grade 7 Heritage School. Today I'm going to do an experiment, this time experiment from home. So today we're going to experiment about diffusion. Does temperature affect the rate of diffusion? Well, let's find out. So we're going to need 3 plastic cups, any food coloring, and a measuring cylinder. So first of all, to make it a fair test, we're going to use 150 milliliter for each cup. So in this one, we're going to make cold water. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator. To make it fast, I put it in the freezer. Of course, to make it fair, we're going to pour another 150 milliliter. This time, it's for room temperature water. Next, we need boiling water, so I boiled the water first. So here is the cold water. Now we're going to put 3 drops of food dye while we record the time. So maybe you guys are wondering, what is diffusion? Well, diffusion is the spreading out of particles in a gas or dissolved substance as a result of random movement. So here is the room temperature water. To make it a fair test, we're also going to put 3 drops of food dye. So now we're going to put the boiling water to a measuring cylinder first. To make it a fair test, we're also using 150 milliliter of water. So now we're going to pour it to the cup. So now we're going to put 3 food dyes in the hot water. So here is the results. So for cold water, the time for it to diffuse is 1 minute 52 seconds. So now for normal water, the time for it to diffuse is 50 seconds. So the results for the boiling water, the time for it to diffuse is 40 seconds. So the conclusion is, the higher temperature, the higher rate of diffusion it will be. So this time we're going to need Cha-Cha, Skittles, or M&Ms. This time I'm going to use M&M. Then you arrange it into a circle shape. So now we're going to pour the boiling water. So this time we're going to compare between hot water and room temperature water. Which one will be faster to diffuse? It started to diffuse in 11 seconds, but fully diffused in 55 seconds. Now I'm going to use cha-cha for the room temperature water. So in the meantime, I'm going to explain more about diffusion. So diffusion happens because of the random movement of particles. For your information, diffusion can only happen with liquid and gas, not with solid. Started to diffuse in 40 seconds but fully diffused in 2 minutes and 54 seconds.